believe it or not, this piece with all this curl in it was a piece of pallet wood. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm doing this all out of recycled materials. I'm using hard drive magnets that I found. I'm using a piece of pallet wood. Naturally, there's some discrepancies. Got to cut off the metal from the magnets. Got to fill these holes with resin and stuff. But it should come out nice.
One eternity later.
Alright, I gotta finish this cut all the way, get down to this depth. So because this is getting thin, you hear the difference? I'm gonna put these in here, but I'm also gonna set them in place with resin. So I'm gonna stick them to this cleaver, the thick piece of steel, and then I'm gonna put the magnets on there so they could be stuck in place. I'll show you. See, because it's like that, they're stuck in place. Now I can use resin on there, and it'll strengthen it up and set these in place and won't move them. After this, I'll use a heat gun, take out all the bubbles. Just for structural purposes, not aesthetic. I don't really care, so I'm just doing clear. This piece of wood was found on a pallet.
This is found in the trash. Look at that. Beautiful.
I don't think that's a good spot for it.
Are you kidding?
I'm only kidding.
Oh my god. Alright, she's finished.
Cool.
I want to thank you guys for tagging along. I've had a lot of fun doing this. I'm going to post the instructables soon. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Check out my Instagram, Bitter Blade Co. Thank you, and have a nice day.